Are you ready to create a dynamic Excel dashboard without any coding but in 5-minute time?
Step 1, we need to use any kind of first sample database. Here I'm using a HR sample database. As you see, just name, title, position, your salary, how much market is paying for you, and what is the market median. Are you getting paid in your company below the market, above the market, or equal to the market? And here is the 3 million cost. Now step 2, we need to use Gemini tool. Click the plus symbol, upload your sample database. What we are doing here is we are trying to give a prompt to our Gemini to act as a world expert in developing Excel dynamic interactive dashboard to present to the executive level. So it will set its mood to create high level presentation or high level dashboard. Okay, now step 3, whatever the prompt you give is to get the code from the Gemini so that you will just copy and paste in your Notepad. Now look at this code. You don't have to worry about this code, what it means, no worries. Just go, click, copy, open a fresh Notepad and paste the code as we are doing here, and save as a file name, but don't forget to put .html after the file name, so it will save as a HTML web file. Okay, now we are going to open the HTML file to see the magic. Guys, I just came to know this one. I'm sharing with you. It will definitely help you. When we open, look at the dashboard. Now, since I'm working in HR as a compensation professional, I used HR database, but you can use your own any sample database. Now let's look at this dashboard. It's given workforce analytics and compensation strategy. Okay, now dynamic filtering and enterprise roster control. It has a search bar, and if you want to search by employee, you can write, also by department. If you select any department, for example marketing, it gives you how many staff in that marketing department and how much is the payroll, and it will give you. Look at the performance rating. It has excellent, exceed, and meets, and you can filter even by that. But if you want to go back, you can select all departments. Now this is the good one. Executive Human Capital Advisory Notice. Now it identified 3 staff in our database got paid less than the market, so it is advising the executive committee, because remember in the prompt we gave this dashboard is not a normal dashboard but to the executive board. So to them it telling that there are 3 getting paid low, so you need to consider they are at risk to leave from your company, so take action, something like that. Now look at the charts. Interactive charts are there. Okay, now salary versus market midpoint by function, how much you are getting and how much market is paying, what is the gap between you and the market. And when you touch the chart, it gives the number of staff and the percentage. Okay, now here is the head count. You can save these images as well. Staff head count, capacity breakdown by department. If you touch any department, you see it gives the number of head count, FTE, how many employees are working in that particular department. Now look at the annual performance rating matrix. Okay, it's a pie chart, and it is giving how many employees in your organization are excellent, exceed, meets, and exceeds job. Okay, and below it also gave nicely an employee detail in a web format. But look at the performance here. It identified meets as just tick, excellent, and outstanding with the star. So it understood your database very well. That's what it means. Okay, now overall look at the design. Okay, and it's interactive, and we have just achieved this less than 3 minutes, I would say. Keep your Excel database ready, no matter supply chain, sales, anything. Okay, keep it ready. Just open Google Gemini, upload the Excel database, give the prompt. Let Gemini act as a best prompt engineering professional to give an interactive dashboard. It gives the code. Then you just copy the code and paste it in a Notepad and you save as, and you just opened. It's just 3 minutes job, not even 5 minutes. Now this is the interactive dashboard. You will get it as an output. As a pro tip, what I want to give you today is, before you get a good result from the AI, first feed it, give your information and ask, do you understand this? Then it will say, yes, I understood that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 it will give. Then you make sure, okay, it's understood. Then tell, okay, create now a dashboard, create now an image illustrating this concept, create a chart, create an infographic, anything. This is how you play with the AI to get your best output. Okay, I welcome again to the Macromind YouTube channel. My name is Sheikh Mohammed Kyle Shema. We are doing some videos related to this. Subscribe and support our channel. Have a great day.